In this review, we will be focusing on the HP DeskJet 990CXi. The 990CXi is one of those rare models in the sense that finding customer feedback on the product is nearly impossible. While I can provide you with all the information on this model's features and what they can do for you, I won't be able to provide you with information on customer feedback. Customer feedback is very important because no matter how great a company says something is, that doesn't mean it is fact. For instance, I have seen many cases where the features for a piece of technology or a printer seemed out of this world, but what the company didn't tell you was that the model was also defective. The good news here is that the 990CXi isn't defective. The bad news is that when a model doesn't create excitement with the public, there's usually a reason for it. We'll go over the HP DeskJet 990CXi as best as possible, and then you can decide for yourself whether it's worth seriously looking into. The HP DeskJet 990CXi usually sells used for between $50 and $70. However, if you put the effort in, you should be able to find it for cheaper. Based on this model's features, it would probably be worth around $50 on the high end. What depletes its value most is competition from other HP DeskJet models. That said, this model's print quality is nothing to write home about, either. It can reach resolution as high as 600 x 600 dots per inch, which is way on the low end for today's printers. When it comes to speed, it can print up to 17 pages per minute. Keep in mind this is a top number, not an average one. That being the case, this printer's speed isn't very impressive compared to what else is out there. The 990CXi can hold up to 150 sheets, which is above average. The 990CXi can operate through 3 different interfaces, which are parallel, USB and infrared. For the latter, you can use PDAs, notebooks, as well as many other mobile devices. An optional HP Direct Print server will allow you to connect with multiple users, and potentially save money. Other standard DeskJet features that come with the 990CXi are built-in two-sided printing, a low ink indicator, and an optical sensor that detects what type of paper you're using. Two-sided printing will help you save time, money and paper. The low ink indicator will give you a heads up as to when you need to buy more ink. This can help save you avoid difficult situations. The optical sensor that detects the paper type is a great feature because it will optimize your prints based on the paper you're using while you don't have to do anything at all. Most printers have negatives. The HP DeskJet 990CXi is no different. However, the sole negative for the 990CXi is somewhat different than negatives for other models. Most DeskJets consume ink too fast and suffer from paper jams if you load too much paper at once. Luckily, the 990CXi doesn't suffer from these problems as bad as other models. On the other hand, other DeskJet models deliver what they promise. The 990CXi is advertised as a high-quality machine. Well, when it comes to high-quality photos, that's simply a big fat lie. Do not buy this printer for quality. Since the quality and speed are impressive, the only thing the 990CXi really offers is several connectivity options. The problem with that is that there are better models out there offering the same thing and for less money.